Something different today, but important nonetheless. So you go in the garage, you buy your bike, or in particular you buy your first bike. You need kit, don't you? So just a little tip for you: when you buy your first motorbike, there's a good way of getting a discount. So let me explain. You bought your first bike. You need a helmet, you need jacket. I'd get pants as well. You need to be winter ready, don't you? You need to be ready for the rain. So how can you buy it cheaper? Well, from buying bikes from a young age, as I have, and I'm now still young in my mind. However, because I've got experience of buying bikes, I know that a lot of dealers will offer you discounts if you were to buy accessories with the bike. Heated grips, trackers, that kind of stuff. However, what you may or may not know is they'll also do it on clothing as well, and safety gear. So if you wanted a helmet, a jacket, pants, whatever, I always, when I buy a bike, say always, I buy a bike all the time. I buy too many bikes. No, I don't. I don't buy enough bikes. I need to buy more bikes. Anyway, sidetrack. So when I buy a bike, what I always do is have a look around at what accessories I can get for it, and can I save any money on it? And a lot of places will offer you a discount. Into Moto in particular, they'll offer you discount on the prices that they've got. So I just wanted to take you in, show you a couple of things that they've got in store, and just talk about the amount of money potentially you can get off if you're buying a bike and you ask for it. Because if you don't ask, you don't get, do you? Let's go in, have a look, and let's see where we can save a little bit of money. When you get in the shop, just look, you've got a nice selection of things in here. So if you were to buy from Into Moto, if you see the lovely Andrea at the side of me, I'm sure she'll be able to help you out. But I'm going to show you just a few of the things they've got in here, a few of the deals potentially you could get. A nice selection of helmets. And looking at these ones, ranging in price from £99 to £59. And if you want something a little bit brighter, I really like those actually, the X-Cross helmets. I think one of those would suit my Vosges, and they're £79.99. Motorbike covers there from Oxford. My favourite accessory has to be the Oxford heated grips, and there's a good selection of those. Your security, so loads of different types of locks, lock and chain there. Nice big thick lock. I've got a couple of them actually, and they do work really well. I've had them for years, still going strong. Disc locks, optimizers. Now these are important if you are a fair weather rider, and I'm not calling you, but if your bike is not being used for a long period of time, you will need one of those, otherwise you're coming back to a flat battery. And a really nice selection of gloves as well. Loads of different styles and prices ranging from about £60 down to about £20, which I think is really good value. Oxford backpack as well. Jackets wise, I really like these. You've probably seen a few of my videos. I've got the black Oxford hooded top, and I've got to say they are absolutely amazing. You feel nice and protected. It's got some decent padding in there, but it does feel nice and light on you when you're riding as well. £129.99, which I think is really good for a jacket. More Oxford jackets, again £119. Great value, and they are a nice bit of kit as well. Various different colours. Pants are nice as well. So Andrea's put something together here. Helmet, jacket, pants and gloves, £200. That's an absolute steal. So you buy your bike, and for £200 you're fully kitted out as well. I'll show you Oxford Steve close up. So the helmet that's on this special offer is an MT helmet. I think that's quite nice. Let me know what you think, but they are decent value them. And the jackets as well. Yeah, matching jacket and pants. And I don't know about you guys, but my first jacket I bought was, I'm sure it was about £500. And then I had helmet, gloves, boots, everything else to buy. To get all that kit for £200. I could have saved a fortune. Oh, the shame. And while we're talking clothing, they do have a couple of nice t-shirts in here as well that are definitely worth looking at. Do like that green Royal Enfield one. Wonder if they'll do me a deal. I'm going asking Andrea. That's going to do me for today. Just a quick one, like I say. I want you guys to save money. I don't work for these guys. I don't get paid by these guys. Into Moto let me go out on a few bikes. If I see a big saving, I want to share it with you lot, which is what I often do on my videos, because I want you guys to save money, and also I want me to save money. My next bike definitely going to be coming from here, but today is about your accessories, your clothing. Now all that stuff I've showed you. Now what I will say is, having spoke to Andrea, if you buy a bike from here, there's a very good chance that those prices will be reduced further. Not the Kevin thing, because that's been put together as cheaply as possible to save you guys money, but if you're looking at gloves, helmets, your heated grips, all that stuff, there's a good chance you can save a little bit of money if you ask the question. I would ask the question. Got to save some money, haven't you? Anyway, that's going to do me. I'm going to try and go out on a bike now. Happy days. Bye for now. Catch you on the next one.
It's a 16 buff in the dark.